Hello everyone, in this section, we will make many examples of the order by command, which is often used when managing a relational database with SQL. At the end of the video, you will learn how to use the order by command in detail. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. So let's start. The order by command is used with the select command. The purpose of the order by command is to sort data by column or group of columns. Sorting can be done as ascending or descending. Let's understand better how the order by command works by making an example. First, I will fetch all the columns of the customers table with the select command. 91 records were brought. Notice that the data in the country column is mixed. Now I will sort by using the order by country command. Sorting can be done in two ways: as ascending and descending. The default value is ascending. As you can see, the country column has been fetched sequentially. The first country was listed as Argentina. Sorting is not done by first letter only. Sorting is done separately according to all characters of the data. After the letter A ends, the first country that starts with the letter B is listed. When you focus on all values, you will better understand how it works. Focus on the letters I show. As I said before, the default value is ascending. The same result is shown, especially when you want ascending sorting. Now let's do a descending sort. Notice the country column. As I said before, sorting is done by all letters. Pay attention to the third letter of the word. It is not always sorted by a single column. Order by command can be used for more than one column. It depends on the order written first. Sorting will be done first by the country column and then by the customer name column. When we focus on the data in the columns, we better understand how the command works. It can also be sorted as ascending or descending in both columns. I want to show you a few ranking values. As we learned in the previous lesson, where conditions can be used with order by. Those with Argentina value in the country column are listed. Let's list the USA values. Also, SQL is case sensitive. If you write the letter A lowercase, the data will not be displayed. We learned the order by command in detail. Thanks for watching. You can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us.